Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get moon blossom and grow a garden. This special plant is a highly sought-after, reharvestable crop known for its significant selling value. To obtain its seeds, you'll need to open specific night seed packs. Be aware that the moon blossom seed has a very low drop rate, typically around 2.5%, so patience is key to your success. The primary way to earn night seed packs is through the Lunar Glow event. During this event, locate the wise old owl in the center of your map. Your task is to bring the owl moonlit fruits, which it loves, to earn lunar points. These special moonlit fruits appear on your fully grown crops during the brief 10-minute night event that happens every hour. To maximize your lunar points, focus on growing higher rarity crops, as they yield more points when given to the owl. Utilize sprinklers to ensure your plants are fully grown before the hourly night event begins. If you possess a night staff, deploy it during the event. It will instantly transform your mature fruits into moonlit versions, saving you precious time. Once you have night seed packs, open them, remembering the 2.5% chance to receive a moon blossom seed. When you finally obtain one, plant it in an open area of your garden, as this crop tends to spread. The moon blossom is a multi-harvest plant with a high base selling value, making it an excellent and sustained source of income for your garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.